it do? Let's pip some coins here. This has been long overdue. I just been skeptical, kind of nervous about making videos, but it's all good. Let's do it. So I caught the 50K Eval on Topstep. I'm up 3% already for the day. I really like just trading US 30 for real. Because with the strategy I use, and I like swing trading, the strategy I use, it lines up with it. So, yeah, personally, my favorite pair is US 30. And I love the pairs like EU, GU, because it goes with the DXY. It goes opposite of the DXY, so it's pretty easy. But basically, I caught this short up here after we took out liquidity earlier. And then I took an L within this candle because I drew my fib wrong. When drawing fibs, you gotta draw it on a higher time frame. So for instance, I start with the monthly. You can see here, we got a monthly low to monthly high, pull back, 7860, support, take profit, -27. Then you could just break it down, go to the next time frame, the weekly. You can see price started rejecting up here at these highs for 3 weeks. And then you can go to the daily and just get the overall bias of the structure and trend. One thing I did learn when it comes to trading, bro, and this is like the best shit I ever learned because it works and it helps me. When you're in an uptrend, price is gonna make M patterns. So it could be a double top, then it come back down, manipulate this low, find support, and start heading up again. It could be crazy shit like this, but you find that M pattern, you're definitely going to have a high probability setup. That's all the market loves to do. Make double tops and manipulate this middle part. Sometimes it could be like this. You know, it could be even sometimes. One could be lower than the other. It just depends. And then it's opposite for a downtrend. That's basically my strategy right here. And now I just take the fib from low to high, you know. And wherever it lands, 61.8, 78.60, I take the trade and run it up to the -27. That's that. Now today, I seen price was up here at the open. Anytime price takes a higher low, that's liquidity. So once price took this previous high, I'm like, okay, I need to pull back. Especially with the way price was transitioning right here on a 15-minute. So okay, boom. Took the liquidity over here. I know price is just not gonna keep shooting up, so took a nice little short around here. And I caught this trade. I was like a 1 to 1.5 or a 1 to 2. I'm not too sure. It was one of them. And then I tried to take a loan from this position because I drew my fib wrong. So that's another thing. When you draw your fib, bro, make sure you're on at least a 4-hour time frame. At least, because you'll get chopped up like I did. So I thought this was a structure low, and it wasn't. I took it from here to this high, and I took the trade on the 61.8, and then I lost that trade just because I didn't use the higher time frame to draw the fib. I thought this would have been a continuation of taking out this liquidity, but price said otherwise. So I took an L here, and then later in the session, I went back on the 4 hour, and I seen we had a low here and another low here. So I took my fib from this low to high, and I seen we had some support and resistance at the 61.80. Once price came to the 61.80, I took the trade. I caught a 1 to 2. I'll say right here, going to 15 minute, what 5 minute. It was definitely this area right here. It was like a 1 to 2, bro. Nothing crazy. For sure like a 1 to 2. And then this trade, I won after this trade. I locked myself out for the day because it's no need to trade. I'm at 3%. Why keep trading, you know? So this is basically just a glimpse of how I trade. I like swing trading. I love higher time frame. I love the Fibonacci. That's all you need. Like, if you caught this move back in April and just held it, that's a lot of pips. And I'll show you right here how the market moves. It's just M patterns, man. M patterns and W patterns. M patterns if you're bullish, and W patterns if you're bearish. So you got the low, you got a high. And like I said, sometimes it's not going to be even. The highs aren't going to be even. Got that low, got a high. Manipulation right here at these lows. Support, another push up. You got a low, high, low, high. See the two M's, double top. Came back, manipulated the middle, and push up. Got another high, low, high. Price came back, support, manipulated the middle, another push up. Then we got this low right here, high, low, high, negative 27. Along with the 61.8 on a daily, if I'm not mistaken. I have to draw the field and show you. But from this high to low, pull back. This is a 61.80. Negative 27 got tapped, so I'm going to see if we're going to keep pushing, making higher highs and higher lows to make a new high. So if price does want to continue, I'll take my field from this daily low, daily high right here. You can see price respected to 78.60. Took out liquidity, and we're just waiting for structure to shift. We're gonna see if we could get more highs and lows. Just wanna see price keep pushing up, but if it doesn't, oh well. I know overall we still are bullish right now. We may be switching bearish, but for right now, I'm still bullish. I'm bullish until this low gets broken. But that's gonna be it for today's video. Like and subscribe. It's only my first video, man, so it'll get better as I go. But I just want to put something out because I should have been doing this, you know. I've been playing with myself. I gotta lock in, but Like and subscribe, man. Appreciate y'all boys. Pips and coins, we out.